Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is it's time to get in creation mode. It's time to get into your vault. It's time to go to your secret place and start turning to Dr. Kevorkian, Dr. Frankenstein. It's time for you to put in that work and create. The energy surrounds you right now where you have a new invention, a new lifestyle, something that I need, the whole world needs. It's time to make sure it comes to light because you are a co-creator that can make it happen. This is your season. Have that breakthrough where we're leaving this season. We're about a few meters from finishing this race and starting the blessing race. And we want you to be able to run strong and have something to work with when we start that race, when that gun shoots off, and you'll be off to the races and doing great things that we all need. When you want to find your purpose, fall in love with your service. I have the power to direct my life. What you do, it's time to create the life that you want for yourself. With a constructive attitude, a teachable spirit, I create what is best for my soul. You listen to yourself, not what the world is telling you what to do. You may be creating something that the world says is impossible, but you know it's possible. Prove the world wrong. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought to affirmative action and confirming and being confident and bold and saying, this is what I want. This is what I shall do. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ will provide. They say, this is what you will do? Yes, you will. No one's ever asked for it, but that doesn't mean I think this is the perfect time that it comes to light. Doesn't mean it can't happen. You're the right person because you're the only person to think of this. That's what makes you original. Show up, show out, baby. I act in the image of God. You act in the image of God in creation. It's time for you to take a hold of your power and do your thing. And I bring light into my life and you shine, baby, shine for the whole world to see. I need you. The whole world needs you. Please love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.